Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Sorry about the sound. But guys, today in this video I'm going to just play pretty much and see what's my highest right now. I'm not gonna go beast mode. If I really did go beast mode, I would be at diamond actually. I know that sounds not real. Like no, because you said you were golden last time. But guys, I updated this in my last video and all that shit. But see, I just got the boards back and I just did all this shit. So now my screen is super clean. Okay, I just cleaned it and I thought it'd be at like at least 15%, but it isn't. Well, so what, guys? Let's get started, okay? Okay, guys. So we just started these three and these three. That's the bam. We're just gonna go like this a little bit, and we're gonna summon our board in. So I'm just quickly gonna do this, guys, and then yeah, I could do this much easier now because my screen is not cracked. No, never mind. I meant my screen is not dirty. It's like fully clean. It's so clean, and I haven't had it this clean in a long time. So yeah, and I washed my hands, so I don't know if no, guys, I'm gonna take better care of my screen. No, guys, I just wanna see if I could. I was about to say, I wanna see if I could go quite a long time without even. What's it called again? I really forgot, but without summoning a boarding. But guys, you see, diamond and gold is not there, so I'm just gonna quickly do this. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna quickly freaking do this, guys. And yeah, hopefully I don't crash. See how long if I could beat my score already without actually Okay, great. Now I could actually just keep on doing this, dying in that, but I don't want to do it like that. Okay, guys, didn't pass my score yet, so I failed at that challenge already. If I went guys at a super high round on Subway Surf, guys, I really like to call it. I did not kill myself on purpose. That was actually, I didn't mean to kill myself on purpose, guys. You see right here, you're just gonna see how far we could go, and we actually have 100 of both of these. So yeah, we could just keep on reviving myself and going like that. But I'm actually gonna try kind of to stay alive without dying, crashing. But I'm gonna use a board in case I do crash. I still be alive. Okay. So here we go, guys. Okay, now I really don't know why I'm not talking. Guys, that was such at a bad time. As soon as I was about just to do something, the board had to stop. It sucks. Really bad. Yeah, you see. I'm just probably gonna keep on dying sometimes. But if I go to super high round, guys, I could actually kind of do it for a long time, which is surprising to me. Well, it's not really surprising to me, but I could just do it a bunch without Well, when I was younger, guys, I'm 10 years old right now, guys. When I was like 8, maybe 9, I remember, um, I remember on my grandpa's phone. I think I was actually 7 or 6, but I went on my grandpa's phone and Subway Surfers was already downloaded on that because my uncle and aunt but when we were in the car, I first tried it, and I'm like, okay, I just want to keep on trying it. And I downloaded it, and years, well, like, a year later when I was 8, I'm pretty sure, this happened in 2015, I'm pretty sure, let's go again. Yeah, I remember, guys, that I actually, I remember when I first got my tablet, I'm like, the first thing I downloaded pretty much was the Subway Surfers. So yeah, I survived a super long time. Kept on trying, guys. But my grandpa's phone, I tried so many times, guys. I swear. Um, but I know, guys, I keep on saying this. I tried so many times. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm back, and I'm actually just gonna and guys, I'm actually just gonna be right back with an update. So yeah, like it was I'm just gonna skip until I don't want to make this video too long, like I made all my other videos. But thank you guys so much for 23 views, or at least that one like on my video. I think it was like 3 videos. Or I said like how to transfer PS3 data for a user to another account, and I got 23 views, which is super surprising. So one of my highest views on my YouTube channel. So that's super amazing. Can't believe I've actually done that. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna skip right now to I go to super high school. Well, my high school. Alright, guys, I'm pretty sure I'm number 1 on the leaderboard, because if you see, there's no one I'm up against. I'm pretty sure I'm diamond or at least gold. Let's go, baby. Okay. I'm not going beast mode. Because yeah, I don't know. But yeah, guys. By the way, I'm not tryhard. Guys, don't be that type of person who's a tryhard, please. Okay, so yeah, I just want to say that. No offense to anybody who is a tryhard though. But guys, if you see right there, I was pretty much at a. Ooh, okay, wait, how much is that? I'm not 100% sure how much I have right now. Okay, so yeah, guys, I'm not going tryhard. So yeah. By the way, guys, I have 183 boards left. A bunch of them kept on running out. I can't really look at it right now. But I'm pretty sure I'm at gold, or at least I'm top silver, I'm at gold, or I'm at diamond. I'm 100% sure I'm at gold, so there's nobody right there. Now, I've died kind of a lot of times because I'm not going beast mode. I'm not trying hard. Not a couple of times, but I've died like 5 times, and I've just revived myself. Yes, okay, I got a key. But guys, yeah, just yeah. Okay, as you're 10 minutes already into the video. Got 20 bonus. Yeah, I have 181 boards. I'm pretty sure well, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Actually, yeah, no, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Let's have my high score done. So yeah. All right, so guys, what's up, guys? Oh my gosh, I just got so confused. But guys, I'm pretty sure. Well, guys, I'm actually gonna try to make it 2 diamond. Look at my score. I have 846,000. I'm pretty sure. Should at least be at gold by now, guys. So yeah, I'm legit just trying to not die. Don't do anything like that because I only have like 700 keys left. I'm probably gonna just buy more today or maybe tomorrow. Because yeah, look at my score. I guess that's pretty high. I'm trying to make it to 1,000,000 and I'll be right back when I'm at like 900,000. Okay, so guys, hey, what's up? We're back, guys, and we're at 900,010 now. I guess it's about to get kind of fast. I'll be right back once that happens, or at least when I'm at 1,000,000. Okay, so guys, I just died. Okay, we got this. It's alright. I take it. Okay, how many of these did I get, actually? I'm actually kind of curious about that. Prize, okay. Okay. New high score. 960,000 and 96,000. Wait. It's 960,000, guys. I thought I'll make it to 1,000,000. Oh, god damn it, guys. Fuck. I'm at gold. I'm not a fucking diamond and shit. So guys, yeah, I guess that was pretty good. It was not too bad. Look how many keys I have now. I have to go buy some more, and I also got like 61. I only got, guys, I'm gonna make a brand new video, and I'm gonna have at least 20,000 keys, guys. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications. But guys, I'm about to make another video once I end this video and upload it, and I'm gonna have a bunch of everything. I might have like 200 score boosters and 200 of these for sure. I'm gonna make it. So guys, look how many boards I got. I got 172. I pretty much did 38 if I'm exact. I had 200 boards, guys, and now I have 172. So I should have wasted 38 boards if I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna do it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, no. It's not. 30 wasn't even close, I guess. But with that being said, guys, that's all it for today's video. And so, peace. Make sure to like and subscribe. I already said that. So, yeah, peace.